Hey everybody, Tom here from Envoy. Today I want to talk to you about what is probably our most popular feature across all of our clients. It's one that's simple, but it's also one that helps buyers and reps kind of get some time back within their day. It makes their life a lot easier. So if you think about the ordering process in wholesale, typically after a retailer places an order or a rep places an order for the retailer, the process doesn't stop there. They need assets, they need product images, they need a PO for that order. They need, generally speaking, assets to help them after the sale. And most of the time this is done by going out to a Dropbox, emailing the rep, emailing the brand, basically having to chase these down. Inside of Envoy, we've created a feature to make that easier on both the buyer and the rep, and we call that an order kit. So if you take a look at my screen here, I've already gone ahead and I've started creating an order. Now I'm logged in as a buyer, but this could also be as a rep. So I've gone ahead, I've picked products, I'm in an order, I've put quantities on them, and I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna review this order, and then once I review that, I'm gonna go ahead and submit that order. Now from here, the buyer gets the option to download what we call an order kit. Think of the order kit as essentially a collection of items and assets that this retailer will need. So think of this as product images, text sheets, PDFs, everything you can think of regarding this order, tools that they're going to need after this order has been placed. So if I click on download order kit, you'll see here that I get the option. I get brought to this page here where I can download product images, a PDF of this order, Excel copy of this order, if I want to submit that as a PO into my system, all the UPCs, all the text sheets, all the PDFs. So without having to do anything else, I simply click on a link, I get all of these assets, I can quickly download that file. If I click on this, you'll see it gives me a zip file. It pops open all of those assets with the PDF, with the product images, text sheets, visualize page. So if you use our whiteboarding tool, if you merchandise this and put it on a canvas, you also get a PDF copy of that. Really anything that you can think of that you would need, for that order you just placed is available to you. Not only do you get it at the time of the order, you also get it within a link in the email. So let's say you placed your order, but you forgot to click on that. No worries, you can always come back. You'll see here I have an order. I can download that order kit again. It's gonna go out to an active link, of this to where I can download this at any time. What's great about the link is this stays active. So for some reason, since when you place the order to maybe 2 weeks down the line, 3 weeks down the line, the product images changed, something changed about the products, you'll always get the most current version of those. So again, this is a feature that our clients love because no longer do they have to have a place for this to exist. No longer do reps have to always provide these things to the retailers. It's available for them right at the time they order. They don't have to go search for it. So if you have questions about order kits or really any other feature inside of Envoy, as always, you can email us at sales@envoyb2b.com.